In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram swipe reply not working. So I'll show you some tricks that will work for you. So first of all, open the Instagram account or application and then tap on the profile section and tap on the three dot at the top right and tap on the settings and then open the account center option. And after opening the account center, you have to link up the Facebook account with the Instagram by tapping on the accounts option and tap on the add accounts option. And then simply just go back to the dashboard, and in the top right corner you can see that a messenger sign appeared. You have to tap on it and open any conversation. And if we swipe left, you can see that now I can reply with the swipe. And then there are another ways to fix this issue by updating your Instagram application from the Play Store and restart your phone. There are another way is to go to your settings and scroll down to apps and tap on the app management and then find to the Instagram application and open it, and from here you have to tap on the storage usage option and clear the data and clear the cache also. And by doing that you can fix the Instagram swipe reply not working Android. Thank you.